Anushmaya, I am of class 9. This is my math project. It is math. So this is the exterior angle theorem. This theorem states that the exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior. Next is the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is very important and it is very useful in solving the problems related to right angle triangle. It states that hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. Next, basic proportionality theorem. This is very rare in math problems. This if we draw a line segment which is parallel to the base, it divides the other two line segments of the triangle in same ratios. Next, the transversal theorem. The transversal theorem states that when a transversal is drawn to intersect the two parallel lines, it says the angles like corresponding angle, vertically opposite angles, etc. Next, perpendicular from center to chord theorem. This theorem states that if we draw a perpendicular from center to chord, it bisects the chord. For example, if the chord is 10 cm, bisects into 5 centimeters each. Next, the parallelogram theorem. The parallelogram theorem states that if the diagonal of parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent angles of parallelogram are equal. We hope you love our math synergy theorem park. Thank you.
Project we have did this trigonometry part. Now in the basis of trigonometry we have Pythagoras theorem. It states that a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here a square is 9, b square is 16 and c square is equal to 25. Now we can observe 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Now we can see that this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. If we take this as a common side, opposite of this angle is opposite side, and next to this angle is the adjacent side. Now we'll look at the ratios. This is sin theta, which is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta, opposite by adjacent, cosec theta, hypotenuse by opposite, secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent, cotangent theta, adjacent by opposite. Now these are the inverse functions. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, tan theta is cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now if we observe from down to up, it is this angle is known as angle of elevation, and if we observe from top to bottom, it is known as angle of depression. Now we look at the values of trigonometric ratios. This is sin theta at 0
Principal of Gowtham Model School. Today we are conducting Math Energy. It is a Math Expo. So nearly 600 students participated today, and they did nearly 300 math exhibits and working models. So because of these students, they can learn many things and they can show their creativity. And in the general learning process, children may get bored, but by this they can learn many things and they can show their creativeness, and they are very happy. Even parents also feeling very happy by seeing their children, and they are explaining very well and they did very well. Thank you. Nearly 600 children, sir. 600 children participated.
What is the different?
We conducted only mathematics expo, but they did they conducted math related games, IIT games, puzzles, and they did some working models also. So by showing the working models, they are making the children to learn the theorems very easily. Theorems or formulas, they are making them to learn very easily.
What is it?
Due to the Ramanujan birthday, tomorrow is a Ramanujan birthday. So on behalf of, for the remembrance of Ramanujan, today we are conducting National Math Day. So on behalf of National Math Day, today we are conducting Math Expo. Full exhibition for all the subjects. From this year only we started. So we hope for the coming years also we will conduct.
What is the?
Parents gave very good feedback, because all the children from the first class to 10th class, all they are explaining very well. They learnt very well. They are preparing from past 1 week. So they explained very well. So they felt very happy, parents. From class 1 to class 9 children today they participated.
Srinivas Ramanujan's birthday, and as usual at Gowtham Model Schools are deteriorating from moving away from mechanical teaching, and we wanted our children to feel that subject. So it is more of making them feel mathematics, which usually students find difficult. They feel the subject is very difficult, so they start enjoying them just to have a fun with the subject. So our intention is to bring awareness towards mathematics, also bring the children out of that phobia of mathematics, and root method of teaching, like they just explain the concepts and all, and theoretically they teach. So we don't want our children to learn anything theoretically. They have to experience it practically, enjoy the subject and feel the subject. So intention is that, along with celebration of great mathematician's birthday.
Students will be visiting for researching for what? So what is the student?
The concept, each child is given one concept, and every child, the concept which they are so thorough with that any time, I mean, maybe after 10 years also they'll not forget. It is all their hard work of the principal and teachers. They put a lot of efforts. Might not be, I'm not claiming that they will learn all the concept at a time, but the concept which is being allotted to the child is being, so they're very perfect with what they have demonstrated today.
What is different?
We are there, like entire thing. If you take a circle, all the concepts related to circle are being taken into consideration.
Approximately
100, more than 100.
So we
Have participated from grade 1 to grade 10, grade 9. We don't allow 10. They have their exams and all. So class 1 to class 9, everybody has participated.
Good.
Padmalata.